said hello. One time the dog walked into the house and got mad, and then it ate the person. The person got mad. Hello, bye.
No.
Oh.